An inventor from Novosibirsk proposes building houses that will provide themselves with electricity thanks to huge built-in wind turbines. The presentation of the project was successful at the International Forum Technoprom, and now the scientists are preparing to defend the idea in Moscow. Patents have been granted. We're now looking for investors who are ready to invest in these projects. There's a new idea here which is very good, that is to build the windmill inside the enclosure. The wind will power the windmill regardless of the wind's direction. Sometimes ideas can be unexpected and even crazy at first glance, but after a while they do get realized, and very successfully at that. Most importantly, they really solve very serious problems. It really is the solution of the future. We're looking at this, and only films about the future that we have seen come to mind.
The point is that even though commercial properties are for sale or for rent, there are no costs related to their operations.
So I would make 2 points. I think this is a perfectly nice.
There are 2 words. Good idea. The buildings will not only form the flow, but also fix this very large wind energy complex. This thing can be very popular, especially where there is no energy. These are really topical problems for any region, and I think it can be applied in the north and in the south anywhere. Air masses move everywhere. In principle, the aerodynamics works everywhere in equal measure. Great idea, and very much needed. I don't know in terms of construction if there are builders who will risk tapping into such projects right now, but it's bound to happen, by all means. This is your great invention, and it needs to be developed. And this is a very promising direction, I think. You will definitely get support. So I congratulate you. Forward. Our vision moves us forward.